Hello, my magical rainbow family. Welcome back to my channel, Jamie's Life in Coloring. Today, I am showing you the flip through of the brand new coloring book on Amazon, adult coloring book, Grumpy Animals, Living Human Lives. So first, we're going to look at the cover, and then I'm going to turn it over and show you the back of the cover. Okay, so here we go. Well, looks like we're going to have to move the camera just a little bit. Okay, now we can put it back. My bad. Sorry, you guys. Okay. Welcome to Grumpy Animals, Living Human Lives, a world where the wild meets mundane and animals have taken on our everyday hassles. Yes, you read that right. This coloring book is packed with creatures who swap their carefree lives in nature for the endless joys of human exhaustion. I can't pronounce that. Spoiler alert, there is no thrill. Meet a bear in the grocery store, wondering what to cook for dinner. A rabbit laughing their laundry dusties, and a not so thrilled giraffe working 9 to 5, trying to make a living. These animals have discovered that being human is no walk in the park unless you're a dog, but even then the park is overrated. But here's the twist. As you color these scenes of animals discontinue, you'll find yourself unwitting and de-stressing. Yes, even the grumpiest of... oh gosh, I can't read that. I can't read that. Can help you relax and let go of your own daily annoyance. There's something oddly satisfying about bringing a splash of color to a skunky sloth or a penguin. So grab your favorite coloring tools and dive in. Let's let these grumpy animals remind you that no matter how rough your day gets, at least you're not an elephant in bumper-to-bumper traffic. Happy coloring. Oh, goodness. Okay, here we go. I am so sorry. I butchered that. I've never been able... how can I say this? My reading is not all there. That's what we'll say. Like this cute dog. And I'm going to be coloring this page first for the month of July. Then we got this monkey. Here's the bear. An owl. Hold on one moment. Here's the owl. Kangaroo. Oh, I have something funny about kangaroos. My older Chihuahua, Ariel, when I take her for walks and stuff, she'll stand on her hind legs and walk like a kangaroo would. Oh, goodness. I just moved the camera. Sorry. Oh, goodness. Elephant in traffic. Penguin. Aw, look at the fox. Okay, who's watched Disney's Zootopia? That puts me in mind of Nick Wilde. I don't know. Is that an antelope? I don't know what that is. Or is that a goat? Regardless, it's got 3 horns. That's weird. A camel. A iguana? I think it's an iguana. Look at the gorilla. He looks definitely mad. I don't know what that is. Is that a, raccoon? I don't know. No, that can't be a raccoon, because here's the raccoon. The giraffe, my favorite, one of my most favorite zoo animals. Oh, look at the fish. Look at the goldfish. Ah, it's a leopard gecko. I used to raise leopard geckos. It's a peacock. Every time I say peacock, it puts me in mind of that hip-hop song. If you know, you know. Octopuses. And then the fish is even upset. That one looks like he's crying. I bet the fish made the kid cry and the mom or dad's upset. The sloth. The skunk. Too cute. Is that a parakeet? Oh, well, goodness. No, this is an antelope. I bet that one in the past, in that previous page, was a goat. Oh goodness, I forgot what they're called. Is that a badger? No. It's something like a ferret, but it's not a ferret. Oh, a cute little hedgehog. Okay, I'm gonna say a frog. Reindeer. Lion, king of the jungle. Rawr. a beaver. And sorry if you hear my dogs, they're sleeping. A flamingo. And is that a duck? I don't know what that is. Okay, no, I definitely don't. I believe that's a duck. Is that a duck? Because it looks like it's got its beak. Oh, it's a snake. Cute. There's a sheep. A ba. A cheetah. A squirrel. That's a porcupine. There's the bunny. And this is supposed to be grumpy. Tell me if you agree with me. He looks sad, not grumpy. Alligator. A horse. A panda bear. And that is it for this book. So please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and if you're new to the channel, hello, my name is Jamie. I sure hope you stick around, hit that subscribe button, and that notification bell where you will not miss any of my upcoming videos, and join my YouTube family. And like always, love one another, don't judge one another, and always believe in coloring, and make today your day, because you're never promised tomorrow. Bye, my magical rainbow family. I will see you very soon. Have a magical day. Oh, and I also want to tell you again, a reminder, July 22nd is my 6-year anniversary, and I am changing my channel name back to its original name, which is Jamie's Life. So I just want to remind y'all again, have a magical day.